Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how I use the Toppik hair fiber to cover up some bald spots that I have on my head. So I found this at my local beauty supply store. You can find it on eBay, you can find it on any online stores. So it's affordable, it's not all that expensive, it's quick, and you see the result instantly. So I really like it, and there is no harm in using it. So it's safe. So here it is. I paid $22 for this at my local supply store, but you can even buy it for less on eBay. Okay, I'm gonna be starting with clean scalp. So the back of my hair, it's cleaned, and I've oiled it and conditioned it before I add the product to it. But if you wish, you can add it just like that to dry scalp. But me, I added oils to my scalp. Okay.